What's happening, faithful and all folks? Not so breaking news. James Richard Garoppolo is injured again. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the like button for the Raiders fans today. In a turn that anyone could have seen coming, James Richard Garoppolo, who us faithful know, was injured week 13 of last season, snapped his ankle like a twig, left it on the field. Well, trying to juke off the wrong leg as he usually does. Well, James is injured. He, of course, does not care about football, so he's not decided to get a surgery up until recently. So guess what, Raider fans? He will not be ready for your OTAs. He will not be ready for your start of training camp. When is this man ever ready for the start of practice? We, faithful again, remember seeing him last year on the sidelines, off in an area all by himself, doing the Dak Prescott, pretending to throwing with towels. And now for the Raiders and Devontae Adams, a lot of the same. He won't be available, and Devontae Adams has already stated that no quarterback makes him. He doesn't feel that he needs James, Derek, or anyone. You can put anybody back there. You can put Josh McDaniels back there, and he'll still be able to catch his passes. Now, why did he say that? Because he's already trying to grease the tracks for how bad of a season he knows he's going to have. Because, of course, James is not there to build rapport with his receivers or become the leader of the team. Don't expect to see a C on his chest next year. Not at all. No. I would expect him maybe to not even play more than I'd say give you 6 games, Raider fans. I can't even show you the pain in my eyes that I feel right now for Raider Nation. But the 49ers Empire, a lot of you faithful fans, a lot of our fans actually wanted him to stay here. Actually said things like, trade Trey, or Trey's injury prone. Motherfucker, what? Keep James here? Well, now James is in the blue tent, as usual. Raiders fans and 49ers faithful fans, what do you think of this deja vu revelation? Jimmy Garoppolo, James, will not be available for OTAs or the start of training camp. Raider fans, we could have told you this, and a lot of us tried to. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel and the video. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all be safe. And Raider fans, I feel for you like Shaka Khan.